Africa is one of the world's largest producers of oranges and pineapples, yet a shocking amount of these fruits go to waste due to a lack of processing industries. Imagine transforming this wastage into a highly profitable business by producing 100% natural, refreshing, and preservative-free orange and pineapple juice. With the growing health-conscious population, rising demand for natural fruit juice, and limited competition, this industry presents a massive opportunity for smart entrepreneurs. Most of the fruit juices consumed in Africa are either imported or artificially flavored, leaving an open market for fresh, locally processed juices. By establishing a juice processing factory, you can supply supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, schools, and even export to global markets where African fruit juices are in high demand. This guide will take you through the step-by-step process of setting up a successful industrial orange and pineapple juice business in Africa. We'll cover everything, from identifying opportunities, selecting the right machines, processing steps, packaging, marketing strategies, and estimated costs, so you can start and scale your juice factory with confidence. Let's dive in. Africa is rich in tropical fruits, including oranges and pineapples, but most of these fruits go to waste due to a lack of processing industries. This presents a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start a juice processing business. Why this business is profitable in Africa? Abundance of raw materials. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Ivory Coast, and South Africa produce large quantities of oranges and pineapples, with much of it going to waste. Growing health consciousness. People are shifting away from sugary carbonated drinks to natural fruit juices. Limited competition. The juice industry in Africa is still in its early stages, with most juice being imported. Locally produced juice can compete on cost and freshness. Government support. Many African governments are supporting agribusiness with tax incentives, funding, and favorable policies. Export potential. Processed juice can be exported to Europe, the Middle East, and the USA, where demand for organic and tropical juices is high. Now that we understand the massive opportunity in the juice processing industry, let's break down the essential steps needed to set up and run a successful orange and pineapple juice factory in Africa. 1. Setting up the business structure. To start, you need to determine whether your business will be small-scale, medium-scale, or large-scale. This will affect your initial investment, machinery choice, and production capacity. Small-scale, manual or semi-automatic machines, targeting local markets and small retailers. Medium-scale, a mix of semi-automatic and automatic machines, serving supermarkets, hotels, and local distributors. Large-scale, industrial level. Fully automated machinery for mass production and exportation. 2. Sourcing raw materials, oranges and pineapples. Partner with local farmers to secure a steady supply of high-quality ripe fruits. Consider contract farming, where you fund farmers in exchange for guaranteed fruit supply. Set up fruit collection centers near farms to minimize transportation costs. 3. Juice processing machinery and factory setup. The core of your business is efficient juice extraction and processing machines. Essential machines include fruit washing and sorting machine, cleans and removes dirt. Peeling and crushing machine, separates peel, core, and seeds. Juice extractor, extracts pure juice from pulp. Filtration system, removes fiber and impurities. Pasteurization machine, heats juice to eliminate bacteria and increase shelf life. Homogenizer, ensures smooth texture and prevents juice separation. Filling and capping machine, bottles and seals juice in different sizes. Labeling and packaging machine, adds branding, expiration date, and nutritional information. Cold storage system, maintains juice freshness before distribution. Estimated investment in machinery, $20,000 to $500,000, depending on scale. 4. Juice production process. 1. Sorting and washing. Select fresh fruits and clean them. 2. Peeling and crushing. Remove outer skin and crush into pulp. 3. Juice extraction. Extract liquid from the pulp. 4. Filtration. Remove solid particles. 5. Pasteurization. Heat the juice to kill bacteria and increase shelf life. 6. Homogenization. Ensure smooth consistency. 7. Packaging and sealing. Bottle or pack the juice in airtight containers. 8. Cold storage and distribution. Store in cold rooms before selling. Investing in high-quality machines ensures efficiency and product consistency. Below are the necessary machines. 1. Fruit washing and sorting machine. Removes dirt, pesticides, and foreign particles from the fruits. Ensures only fresh and high-quality oranges and pineapples are used. 2. Peeling and crushing machine. Separates the fruit peel, core, and seeds. Crushes the fruit into a pulp for extraction. 3. Juice extractor. Extracts pure juice from the fruit pulp. Separates fiber from the liquid. 4. Juice filtration system. Removes solid particles and impurities to produce clear juice. 5. Pasteurization machine. Heats the juice at low temperatures to kill bacteria while retaining nutrients. Increases shelf life without the need for artificial preservatives. 6. Homogenizer ensures the juice has a consistent texture, prevents separation of juice layers. 7. Bottle filling and capping machine. Fills glass or plastic bottles with the final juice product. Seals the bottles airtight to maintain freshness. 8. Labeling and packaging machine. Automatically applies labels and date stamps. Packaging can be in bottles, Tetra Paks, or pouches. 9. Cold storage and refrigeration system. Keeps the juice fresh before distribution. Essential for exporting and large-scale sales. Estimated cost of machinery, semi-automatic machines, $20,000 to $50,000. Fully automatic industrial machines, $100,000 to $500,000 for large-scale production. 4. Production. Process. How to make the juice sorting and washing. Select fresh, ripe oranges and pineapples. Wash them to remove dirt and bacteria. Peeling and crushing. Remove peels and crush the fruits into pulp. Juice extraction. Extract pure juice from the pulp. Filtration. Remove any solid particles. Pasteurization. Heat the juice to remove bacteria and extend shelf life. Homogenization. Ensure smooth consistency. Packaging and labeling. Bottle or pack the juice in airtight containers. Cold storage. Store juice under cool temperatures before distribution. 1. Identify your target market, local supermarkets and grocery stores, hotels, restaurants and cafes, schools and hospitals, export markets, Europe, USA, Middle East. Online direct sales and delivery services. 2. Branding and packaging. Attractive, eco-friendly packaging will attract more buyers. Offer different sizes, 250 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 1 liter, and 5-liter family packs. Highlight 100% natural on labels to appeal to health-conscious customers. 3. Distribution and sales strategy. Direct supply to retailers and supermarkets. Partner with online stores for home delivery. Use refrigerated trucks for long-distance delivery. A great product needs a strong marketing strategy to dominate the market. Target market and distribution channels, supermarkets and grocery stores. Ensure your juice is stocked in retail outlets. Hotels and restaurants. Offer bulk supply deals. Schools and hospitals. Promote juice as a healthier alternative to sodas. Export markets. African tropical juice is in demand in Europe, the Middle East, and the USA. 4. Marketing and advertising, social media and influencer marketing. Promote your juice on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Free sampling. Offer free juice samples in supermarkets and events. Billboards and radio ads. Increase brand awareness through radio and billboards. Partnerships with fitness centers and schools. Sell healthy juice options to gym goers and students. Estimated budget breakdown. Expense, estimated cost factory, setup and rent, $10,000 to $50,000, machines and equipment, $20,000 to $500,000, raw materials, fruits, $5,000 to $30,000, labor and staff salaries, $5,000 to $20,000, licensing and certification, $2,000 to $10,000, marketing and distribution, $5,000 to $20,000, total startup cost, $50,000 to $700,000. 7. Challenges and solutions. Challenges, solutions. High initial investment. Start with semi-automatic machines and scale up later. Fruit seasonality. Invest in cold storage or process fruits into concentrates for year-round production. Competition. Differentiate with quality, branding, and natural ingredients. Distribution logistics. Partner with wholesalers and supermarkets to reach more customers. The orange and pineapple juice industry in Africa is an untapped gold mine with immense potential. By leveraging abundant fruit supply, investing in efficient machinery, and implementing strong marketing strategies, you can establish a highly profitable juice processing business. With increasing consumer preference for fresh, natural juices over artificial soft drinks, the demand is growing rapidly. The key to success is producing high-quality juice, securing strong distribution channels, and differentiating through branding and packaging. If you're looking for a highly scalable, profitable, and impactful business, now is the time to invest in Africa's juice processing industry. Start small, grow strategically, and take advantage of local and export markets to build a successful brand.